Your love is the rhythm in my soul. Making me whole. The lights are low, the night is near. Your presence whispers in my ear. Every breath I feel you close. In this peace my spirit grows.
The city fades, the stars align. Your grace runs through my mind. In the still beat of my chest, I find my soul at rest.
Every pulse, every sound, heaven's rhythm all around. In the silence, in the noise, I lift my heart, I lift my voice. Our hearts in rhythm, moving as one. Your spirit shining brighter than the sun. Through every beat you make me whole. Your grace, the music of my soul. Oh, in the dark or morning light, you're the fire that burns so bright. Every breath and every night, you keep our hearts in rhythm. Under the lights, my soul can see your love dancing inside me. No fear can steal this peace I know. Your presence makes me glow.
I am my gift to you. Every heartbeat feels brand new. This rhythm plays this melody. Forever you're with me.
Every note you play is true. Every chord leads me to you. When I move in grace. Your rhythm fills this place. Our hearts in rhythm, moving as one. Your spirit shining brighter than the sun. Through every beat you make me whole. Your grace, the music of my soul. Oh, in the dark or morning light, you're the fire that burns so bright. Every breath and every night, you keep our hearts in rhythm.
Your love flows like sound waves high. Heaven echoes through the sky. Every step, every move I take, it's your rhythm that you make.
Our hearts in rhythm, moving as one. Your spirit shining brighter than the sun. Through every beat you make me whole. Oh, your grace, the music of my soul. Oh,
In the night I feel you near. Your rhythm's all I hear. Every heart that's come alive beats in rhythm with the sky.
hearts in rhythm, your love in motion, forever devotion. Breathing grace, oh please, your love. In the silence I find you near. Every breath removes my fear. You whisper softly in the night, filling my soul with light.
Your mercy flows like gentle waves. Your presence calms the space. Every moment I can see you're breathing life in me.
Every heartbeat, every sigh, your love keeps me alive. You are the calm, the endless peace. Your spirit brings release. I breathe in grace,
I let it flow. Your love's the rhythm my heart knows. You move through me, so pure, so free. Your presence lives in me. I breathe in grace, I'm not the same. Your mercy runs through every vein. Forever changed, I'm face to face as I breathe in grace. Every worry drifts away. Your peace is here to stay. Even when I can't see clear, your spirit's drawing near. Every
sunrise feels brand new when my heart belongs to you. You're the rhythm and the rain, healing every pain. In every wave, in every sound, your love keeps pulling me around. You are my light, you are my song, in you I belong. I breathe in grace,
I let it flow. Your love's the rhythm my heart knows. You move through me, so pure, so free. Your presence lives in me. I breathe in grace, I'm not the same. Your mercy runs through every vein. Forever changed, I'm face to face as I breathe in grace.
you're the air inside my lungs, the melody I've sung. You're the peace in every fight, my morning and my night.
Let your spirit fill this place. Your fire, your embrace. Every soul begins to rise to the grace that never I breathe in grace, I let it flow. Your love's the rhythm my heart knows. You move through me, so pure, so free. Your presence lives in me. I breathe in grace, I'm not the same. Your mercy runs through every vein. Forever changed, I'm face to face as I breathe in grace.
Oh, breathe in grace. You're my peace. You're my peace.
Forever I breathe in grace.
Draw me closer, closer to your heart. When the night falls all around, your whisper is the only sound. In the quiet I can feel your love is real, so real. like fire in the dark. You leave a holy mark. Every tear and every scar leads me where you are.
Take me closer to your heart, where my healing starts. In your light I'll find my peace. Your love will never cease. Every beat and every part draws me closer to your heart. Forever you're my song. I love you all night.
I love you all night long. The stars are dancing on the sea, reminding me you're here with me. Every wave that hits the shore whispers that I'm yours.
Your presence flows through everything. I can hear the heavens sing. In your mercy I am found. Grace is all around.
You move like rhythm through my soul. You make the broken whole. You are the peace I've searched to find, forever intertwined.
Take me closer to your heart, where my healing starts. In your light I'll find my peace. Your love will never cease. Every beat and every part draws me closer to your heart. Forever you're my song. I love you all night long.
You are the reason I still breathe, the hope I still believe. Your voice is calm, your touch is kind. You never leave me behind.
Let your spirit overflow. Your love's the rhythm I know. I'll lift my hands, I'll give my all. To you I surrender all. Take me closer to your heart, where my healing starts. In your light I'll find my peace. Your love will never cease. Every beat and every part draws me closer to your heart. Forever you're my song. I love you all night long.
Closer to your heart, forever in your arms. Closer to your heart.
Your love fills the sky. Stars of worship shine. In the silence of the night, your love becomes my light. Every heartbeat starts to glow. Heaven's song begins to flow. The ocean waves, they sing your name. Forever you remain. Every breath I take tonight is worshiping your light. You paint the stars with endless grace. Your beauty fills this place. Every heart begins to rise, reflecting in your eyes. Under stars of worship, I find you here. Your presence come, your voice so clear. Every shimmer, every light reminds my soul of your might. You move the heavens, you part the sea, you shine your love on me forever. I will be
waves of grace are falling down. Your love surrounds me now. In the stillness I can feel your mercy flowing strong and real.
Like an ocean deep and wide, your love pulls me to the tide. Every wound begins to fade as your hands of peace are laid.
You lift my soul, you calm the storm. Your light has made my spirit warm. I'm standing here renewed, awake by the waves of grace you made. Waves of grace keep crashing in, washing over all my sin. Every fear is swept away. Your love has found its way. I am whole, I am free. Your truth is all I need. In your flow, I'm unafraid, carried by your waves of grace.
When I wander far from shore, your voice calls me back once more.
In the deep I find your peace, your embrace my soul's release. Every tide that pulls me near drowns my doubt and dries my tears. You remind me I belong. In your mercy I am strong. Through every rise, through every fall, your love remains unshakable. The ocean sings your holy name. Forever you're the same. Waves of grace keep crashing in, washing over all my sin. Every fear is swept away. Your love has found its way. I am whole, I am free. Your truth is all I need. In your flow, I'm unafraid, carried by your waves of grace.
Your grace surrounds me like the sea. Your glory moves inside of me. Every breath a song of praise, forever lost in your embrace. I'll sail the depths, I'll ride the tide. Your spirit ever by my side. No greater love could take its place. I'm drowning in your waves of grace.
shadows fade, your mercy lights another day. I lift my eyes to find your grace. Your presence fills this holy place.
Every breath becomes a song. Your love has been here all along. Now I rise with hands held high. Your glory fills the sky.
Through the silence, through the rain, your voice brings hope again. In the breaking of the dawn,
I know I'm not alone.
you are my morning light, chasing the dark from my side. Your love awakens me, sets my spirit free. Every heart begins to shine in your grace divine. You are my peace, my guide, my morning light. Oh, the waves are calm, the air is still. Your purpose moves within my will. Every tear you've turned to gold. Your promise never grows old.
The sun ascends, my heart believes. Your presence dances in the breeze. Every rhythm, every tone draws me closer to your throne. When the world feels cold and gray, your love still lights the way. From the night into the day, your joy will always stay.
You are my morning light, chasing the dark from my side. Your love awakens me, sets my spirit free. Every heart begins to shine in your grace divine. You are my peace, my guide, my morning light. Let your glory rise like the dawn. Let the world see where I belong. You're the reason I breathe again. Your love will never end. Heaven sings, the earth replies. Your beauty paints the skies. Forever you will shine, my light divine. Oh, my morning light. Oh, my morning light. Your love's in motion, flowing through devotion.
In the quiet of the night, I feel your spirit move inside. Every breath becomes a prayer. You remind me you are there. Through the rhythm of my heart, your presence sets me apart. Every step I walk in grace, you light my every place.
You move like waves upon the sea. Your grace keeps calling me. Through every high, through every low, your rhythm guides my soul. You're my grace in motion, flowing through emotion. Every heartbeat, every sound, your love keeps spinning around. You lift me up, you pull me close, your mercy overflows.
You're my endless devotion, my grace in motion, my grace in motion.
When the world begins to fade, your peace is where I stay. Every moment you restore, I'm yours forevermore. In the dance of light and sea, your spirit's alive in me. Every move a melody that sings a victory.
You move like rhythm through my veins. You break away the chains. Through every night, through every trial, your grace makes life worthwhile.
You're my grace in motion, flowing through emotion. Every heartbeat, every sound, your love keeps spinning round. You lift me up, you pull me close, your mercy overflows.
You're my endless devotion, my grace in motion, my grace in motion.
Your love is rhythm, pure and strong. The song that I've known all along. When the waves begin to rise, you're my calm beneath the skies.
Forever you remain, the tempo in my veins. Your glory's my emotion, my grace in motion.
You're my grace in motion, flowing through emotion. Every heartbeat, every sound, your love keeps spinning round. You lift me up, you pull me close, your mercy overflows.
You're my endless devotion, my grace in motion, my grace in motion.
You are my grace.
Forever in motion. Your light awakens me. You shine within me. every breath I take you near. Your peace is all I hear. The world is quiet, hearts are still. Your mercy moves, your perfect will in the silence. I can see your light is shining in me. Through the night and through the pain, your hope remains the same. You lift me when I fall. You are my all in all. Shine within me, your light sets me free. Every step I take, your love's the air I breathe. You fill my heart with melody. Your grace forever carries me. Lord, I'm alive, I can see. Every sunrise speaks your name. Your beauty burns like flame. You take my fears, you make me whole. You heal my fragile soul. I feel your presence in the air. Your voice is everywhere. You're the rhythm in my heart. Your light's where I start. Every moment you remind, your love is undefined. Your glory makes me new. My heart belongs to you. Shine within me, your light sets me free. Every step I take, your love's the air I breathe. You fill my heart with melody. Your grace forever carries me. Lord, I'm alive, I can see. You're the glow inside my soul, the story yet untold. Every rhythm, every sound, your mercy all around. Let your spirit move like waves through the night and through my days. Let my life forever be your light within me. Shine within me, your light sets me free. Every step I take, your love's the air I breathe. You fill my heart with melody. Your grace forever carries me. Lord, I'm alive, I can see. You shine within me. Your